Twitter advertising is an excellent tool for advertisers to promote their product and services, to reach existing and new users, to drive traffic, generate leads, and close more sales. You will learn about how to create your first ever Twitter ad campaign, the different types of Twitter ads, and why should use Twitter ads, and tips to remember when setting up your Twitter ads in this guide. Why should you use Twitter ads? Below are the top 5 reasons to use Twitter advertising. 1. Twitter advertising is performance-based. 2. Keyword targeting. 3. Tailored audiences. 4. Twitter ads are cost-effective. 5. Twitter engager targeting. How to create your Twitter advertising campaign. 1. Set up your Twitter ads account. To get started with Twitter advertising, the first step is create or set up a Twitter advertising account. To create a Twitter advertising account, head over to ads.twitter.com. You can either log in or sign up for a Twitter account. Enter your country and time zone, then tap Let's Go. This allows you to access Twitter Ads Manager and its other features, like measuring your advertising campaigns and tracking metrics. 2. Select your advertising objective. Determine what you want to succeed with your Twitter ads campaign. The campaign objective which you pick determines which engagement types and actions you'll pay for. Twitter lets you choose from the 3 objectives below. Awareness. Reach. This goal helps you to increase your brand reach by promoting your tweets to wider audience. This ad billed per 1,000 impressions of your ad. In-stream video views. This goal is to run a short video ad at the start of videos from Twitter's premium content partners. For each video view you need to pay. Consideration. Video views. This goal is to boost your videos to more know of people and to increase video views. For each video view you are charged. App installs. This goal is to increase the downloads of your app from the different Play stores. For each app download you are billed. Website clicks or conversions. This goal is drive traffic to your website. For every click you are billed. Engagements. This goal is to maximize engagement with your promoted tweets. For each engagement you are billed, but only on the initial engagement with each user. Followers. This goal is to build your Twitter audience and grow new followers on the platform. For each new follower you are billed. Conversion. App re-engagements. This goal is to reaching out to people who already have your app to open and use it. For each app click you are billed. 3. Define campaign details. After setting up your objective, you need to go to the campaign details page. This is where you name your ad campaign, enter payment details, and determine your budget and schedule to run your ads. When you are done completing the above information, tap Next, and you will be redirected to the ad group page. 4. Determine your AD group and bidding. Since you are creating your first Twitter ads campaign, I highly recommend you to focus on one ad group. As you become more comfortable with Twitter ads, you can segregate your campaign into different categories to target different audiences. You can explore using different creatives, test different budgets and timing to check what works best for you. Then, name your ad group and select a duration to run your ad by providing start date and end date. Set the budget by providing how much money you are ready to pay for each engagement. It is recommended to select automatic bidding. Twitter will set your bid based on your budget to gain the best results at the lowest price. 4. Target the right audience. The 3 different targeting options help you to select the right audience for your ad. Demographic targeting. Select your audience by gender, age, location, language and device. Location targeting. You can target users in a specific location by using location targeting. For example, if you want to target people who are based in NY, it is possible using location targeting. You can also target users by device, mobile/computer, OS platform, Android/iOS, and carrier. Audience features. This section allows you to target users based on specific interests like events, interests, behaviors, and even movies/TV shows users tweet about. 5. Select your AD placement. The next step is to choose where you want your ad to display. The options are profiles, timelines, and search result. Once you made your selection where you want your ad to display, click Next. 6. Review and launch your campaign. The final step is to review all the options you have selected. If everything looks great and then hit launch campaign to launch your first ad. Marvelous, now you know how to create and launch a Twitter ad. Types of ads on Twitter. There are multiple types of Twitter ads to choose to help your brand's goals. 1. Promoted ads. Promoted ads are nothing but a promoted tweet which looks similar to regular tweets and they are labeled as an ad. The difference is that a brand is paying to display the tweets to people who are not already following that brand on Twitter platform. 2. Follower ads. The follower ads format allow you to increase visibility of your brand and can be used to market an account to a targeted audience to boost awareness and gain new followers. 3. Twitter Amplify. This ad format allows brands to align their ads with premium video content from the most relevant publishers on the Twitter platform. 4. Twitter Takeover. This ad format are the premium ads, used to boost your ads that generate results across the funnel by conquering the timeline and explore tabs on the Twitter platform. This ad format helps brands to maximize reach and boost lifts across the funnel by offering brands exclusive ownership of Twitter's premium ad format across devices like desktop and mobile. 5. Twitter Live. Twitter Live enables brands to broadcast their happiest moments to the world and allow audiences to join in real time. Thus, for product launches and conferences to watch parties and fashion shows, Twitter Live helps advertisers maximize their best live stream content and boost conversation with the audiences that matter the most. Conclusion. Twitter is an excellent tool for advertisers to market their products or services across globe. That's why every marketer should include it in their social media marketing strategy.